Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So there is something about winter holiday season. It brings the best out of people. Although it's the busiest time of the year when kids have winter break, many of us travel and a lot of people celebrate the season. Today I'll share with you some fun and affordable ways to refresh your space for holidays. 3 months ago, I refreshed my room for fall, and now that the holidays are here, I'm making a few easy changes to create that festive vibe without going overboard. We all want our homes to feel extra warm during winters. One easy way to do that is by adding soft and comfortable textiles like blankets and pillows. I'm not suggesting you go out and buy new stuff, but you need to look around your house because probably you have some extra blankets tucked away somewhere. What you need to do is to layer blankets with different textures so you can create a warm space that feels perfect for the holiday season. For example, you can layer a soft fleece throw over a quilt or add a knitted blanket on top of a smooth one. Mixing these different textures not only feels comfortable but also looks great. And if you want a fresh look, you can try swapping out pillow covers. It's a simple and budget-friendly way to give your room a fresh look. You guys, we've got to enjoy life and its seasons. A little bit of effort on decor and you can change the vibe. Once your space feels warm, adding winter colors can set the mood of your home to the next level. Focus on small, affordable changes that makes a big difference. Try it in warm colors like red, green, and gold with budget-friendly items. Swap out your cushion covers and flip your throws to bring those colors into your space. This is how you do it. Use a green tablecloth with red or maybe gold accent on your dining table, or you could add cushions or throws in these colors. You can make floral arrangements with red flowers and green leaves, and if you want to do something with lighting, you can use lanterns with gold details to add warmth to your space. Now let's bring that same warmth into your mantle and dining table. These areas of your home should feel festive during holidays. For a dining table, pair a neutral tablecloth with a runner that has winter design like pine cones, snowflakes, or evergreen branches. For your tableware, you could use your regular white plates with winter-themed napkins tucked into wooden or twine napkin rings, and you could find these at any thrift store. Adding candles is a very simple way to bring warmth to your space. You could use candles of different heights and sizes, or maybe group them together for a cozy glow. You can decorate around the candles with seasonal greenery or other decorations. These touches will make your mantle or dining table a standout feature in your home. And to keep things natural, try to add natural elements. Instead of spending a lot of money on decorations, you can simply take a walk around your area and gather free of cost items like pine cones, pine branches, and holly. For instance, you can put pine branches in a vase or place them on a shelf for a simple natural look. They look nice and make your home smell like winter stew, which obviously fake decorations cannot do. You could also spread pine cones around your table for a winter touch. Plus, holly leaves and berries can bring in some beautiful color. I honestly love creating cozy nook. Having a little space to relax, and especially during holiday season, you don't need to buy new furniture. Just find a spot or maybe a corner in your home. It could be near a window to enjoy the light, or maybe by the fireplace if you have one. Gather a small blanket, a comfortable chair, and some pillows to create your cozy nook. You can also add a small lamp or string lights maybe to make your space more welcoming and warm. Just rearranging things can make a big difference. With this simple setup, I feel like I have a personal retreat where I can relax, maybe have a cup of coffee or read a book. To enhance this cozy space, you can add some personal touches to it. This is like an icing on the cake, and I really love this idea because when you personalize anything, it creates a deeper connection. These could be your family photos, decorative lights, or your cultural artwork. Let me share with you exactly how I created my corner. I like to use everything available at home. I added a prayer rug, some cultural books, and I also added a small Turkish lamp which I got from Global Village in Dubai, and some beautiful Moroccan design frames. Just a few small things from home and a couple random things, and I made myself an amazing corner which I cherish every day. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips on a budget, and I'll see you next time.